Welcome to the wonderful world of chemistry. Today, with the help of the thermal effects set by Mel Chemistry, we will make a chemical warmer on our own. Perform this experiment on a plastic tray to contain any possible spills. Don't forget to put on protective gloves and goggles before doing the experiment. To open a bottle containing a reagent, push the cap down and turn it. Pierce the bottle nozzle with an unbent paper clip. For the chemical warmer experiment, you will need copper sulfate, sodium chloride solution, iron powder, a 5 milliliter syringe without a needle, a resealable plastic pack with a filler, a thermo sticker, and a disposable cup and water. Take a disposable cup and put the plastic pack into it. Using a syringe, add 5 milliliters of water and pour the entire bottle of iron powder into the pack. Seal the pack and thoroughly mix the contents. Attach a thermo sticker to the pack and pour the entire bottle of copper sulfate into it. Then add 10 drops of sodium chloride solution and seal the pack. Mix the contents for 2 minutes. An oxidation reduction reaction takes place between the iron powder and the copper sulfate. As a result of this reaction, ions of iron and metallic copper form. The reaction produces enough heat to make our heater work. The color change of the thermo sticker also indicates the increase in temperature. Learn more about this experiment on our Mel Science website.